Number 26. A table of ordered pairs is shown. Which graph represents these ordered pairs?
She's found. Everybody, she's found.
Number 27. A company makes 625 cell phone cases each day. How many cell phone cases does the company make in 31 days? Number 28. Rachel classified shapes based on the types of angles they had. The table shows her classifications. Angle types: right angles only, acute angles only, obtuse angles only, both acute and obtuse angles. Which shape was not classified correctly? Number 29. The dot plot shows the numbers of pets that the students in a class own. Numbers of pets owned by students. Number of pets. What fraction of the students in this class have 2 or more pets? Number 30. The table shows the number of hats made at a factory during 3 weeks in February. The number of hats made in week 4 is represented by N. Hats, week, number of hats. The total number of hats made at the factory in February was 2,148,431. Which equation represents this situation? Number 31. Dwayne packed some books in a box shaped like a rectangular prism. The volume of the box is 168 cubic inches. Which model could represent Dwayne's box? Number 32. Customers at a gift shop receive free stickers for every t-shirt they buy. The graph shows the relationship between X, the number of t-shirts customers buy, and Y, the number of stickers customers receive. Gift shop, number of free stickers, number of t-shirts bought. Which table represents this relationship? Number 33. Tara has a box of 908 beads for making bracelets. She wants to put 15 beads on each bracelet she makes. What's the greatest number of bracelets Tara can make with these beads? Number 34. Books in a library are arranged by their Dewey Decimal number. The Dewey Decimal numbers for 5 books are shown in the picture. Lana will put these 5 books in order from the least number to the greatest number. Which book will be in the 4th position? Number 35. Marcia bought a birthday card for $2.86 and a pen for $1.57. She paid with a $20 bill. How much change should Marcia have received? Number 36. The ordered pairs below represent 3 vertices of a rhombus. Which ordered pair could represent the 4th vertex of this rhombus? Number 37. Amy cut 32 feet of chain into pieces that were each 1/4 foot long. How many of these pieces did Amy have after cutting the chain? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. Number 38. The bar graph shows the number of bags of 2 brands of dog food that were sold at a store. 1 bar for day 5 is missing from the graph. Dog food. Number of bags sold, day. Key. Brand X, brand Y. The number of bags of brand Y dog food sold on these 5 days was 175. Which bar represents the data for day 5 for brand Y? Number 39. Freddie exercised 2 5/10 hours per day on 4 days last week. He burned 330 calories per hour while exercising. How many calories did Freddie burn by exercising last week? Number 40. A student graphs a point that is represented by the ordered pair 3, 0. In this ordered pair, what does the number 3 indicate? F, the point is 3 units above 0 on the x-axis. G, the point is 3 units above 0 on the y-axis. H, the point is 3 units to the right of 0 on the y-axis. Or J, the point is 3 units to the right of 0 on the x-axis. Number 41. This equation can be used to find B, the number of dollars Mrs. Colton earned as a sales bonus last week. What was the amount of Mrs. Colton's bonus? Number 42. Maricela used this model to represent one whole. Which model represents 1 8/10 times 4? Number 43. A square has a perimeter of 20 centimeters and an area of 25 square centimeters. Use the ruler provided to measure the line segments below to the nearest centimeter. Which line segment could represent a side of this square? Number 44. What is the quotient when 75 hundredths is divided by 5? Number 45. A definition of a financial term is shown in the box. A tax on retail products based on a set percentage of retail cost. Which term best fits this definition? A. Income tax. B. Payroll tax. C. Property tax. D. Sales tax. Number 46. The points on the graph represent a numerical pattern. Which statement about the pattern represented on the graph is true? F. It is a multiplicative pattern because each y-coordinate has a higher value than the corresponding x-coordinate. G. It is a multiplicative pattern because each x-coordinate is multiplied by 5 to create the corresponding y-coordinate. H. It is an additive pattern because each y-coordinate has a higher value than the corresponding x-coordinate. Or J. It is an additive pattern because each x-coordinate is increased by 4 to create the corresponding y-coordinate. Number 47. In which table are the check marks placed in all of the correct boxes? Quadrilateral, rhombus, polygon. Number 48. Students earn extra points on a science test for correctly answering a bonus question. The relationship between the student's original test score and their final test score, including the extra points, can be represented by the equation y equals x plus 25. Which table could represent this relationship? Science test. Original test score x, final test score y. Number 49. What is the value of this expression? Number 50. Which model represents 3/5 of 15? Be sure to answer all of your questions on the answer document.